Have a nice day. I am going to tell you about how to create the interactive dashboard using the database here. I show you this database. First of all, name is here. Just focus on demo, and we create the hundred of name and hundred of data. Region, product, units, price, total sale. Okay. MI support region wise. And east 37, north 18, south 21, west 25%. Okay, first of all I show you asset data. Asset data is 40% automatically change, 14, 18, 29. Asset achieved east in 40%, 40, 14% north and 18% south, and west is 29%. And second is Mudassar, and Mudassar East achieved 34%. Automatically change the data percentage, and remaining percentage 66 out of 34 achieved. Okay, Caser, the Caser data is also showing, and Zahid data is also showing using the slicer. Okay, thank you very much.